So here we're looking at a nightstand from the latest container, container 9. This is Sonny Montgomery's nightstand, and it's pulling, the top is pulling apart. Bob's gonna...
It's split all the way along here. It's split all the way along here and is lifted, and it's shrunk that much. It's pulled forward that much, so now you got this overhang. We're suggesting a different design for this top. It's primarily because this piece of wood is going in the opposite direction of all the rest of it, the one at either end. The one at the front's okay. And to make it about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch longer, so that when it does shrink we don't have this overhang here. Another thing we noticed on this one is that the end panels,
Okay, now go ahead.
to prevent this problem where the grain is going in opposite directions. In other words, on the top, the grain's going this way. Side, we got the grain going this way. What we're suggesting is have this, when you have this piece of wood, have it a little bit longer. When you cut this, take this piece and flip it on there. Now the grain's going to be going the same way, plus it's going to be 180 degrees out, so if this one ever tries to warp, this one is going to try to stop it from warping, because they're both going in opposite directions. Same thing over here, same thing on the front here. So when it comes to the top here, this piece then would really only be about that wide. Okay? And it's going to be attached to the top permanently. So then when you...
So it's going to be screwed?
You can glue it, you can screw it, you can nail it, I don't care what you do, it can be on there solid. As far as this piece onto the top. Same thing on the front, on the side. When you're done, you should be able to take the top along with this molding and set it down on here and still have a little bit of side movement. You'll always have the front movement, of course, because there's nothing to prevent that from the back here. And your screws, instead of coming up through here, will come up through here to pin the front, and you'll still have, you know, your buttons along the side and the back to allow it to come out. We'd like to see it, the top, to be about at least 1/4 of an inch longer than the carcass to allow it to move.
So this whole piece will shrink in the end? This whole top piece will shrink in the end?
Yeah, well, same as that.
Yeah. Okay. Is that it?
Yep.